What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. So in today's video, I want to talk about important tips to help you be more efficient as a travel agent. All right, you do not want to miss this. All right, everybody, welcome back. So if you are a travel agent or you're thinking about becoming a travel agent, I want to share with you a couple tips that can help you work smarter and not harder. Okay, so I want to talk about clients. Okay, so let's say you got clients that want to receive a quote for a vacation booking, cruise, or etc., whatever the case may be. So you don't want to go straight into the quote. Okay, you want to qualify your clients. So that's this major tip. Qualify your clients, because everybody may not be serious about getting trips. Everybody might not have all the information that you need, and to eliminate going back and forth with your clients, you as an agent, you cater to your clients' needs. So you don't want to just do quotes without even speaking to your client, or don't even know where they're trying to go. You still need to ask important questions in detail. Okay, because you can give a detailed quote, better chances that your client will want to take their trip because it's customized exactly how they want it. So a couple questions you want to keep in mind when asking your clients. It's kind of like interview questions. So you want to ask them, what type of luxuries do they want? Any activities? What type of vacation do they want? Do they want to go on a cruise? They want a vacation package? How they feel about room preference? What type of room preference? Any things you like in the room? You know, you want to get detailed information. So you want to go in detail about specifically what your clients into. Okay, you know, what they're passionate about, things like that. Kind of give you some ideas to customize that perfect trip for your client. Because if you just throw together a quote, you know what I'm saying, it'll save you time up front by knowing in detail what your client want. Okay, so if they want to go on a cruise, you need to be in detail. Is there a specific cruise line you like to go on? What type of cruise ship? Any special room requests, or what type of cabins, things of that nature. So you don't want to just put together anything. You need to get all these important information, get all the detailed information, then put together your quote. So it'll save you time putting together a quote versus trying to put together 2-3 quotes and going back and forth making changes because they want this, add this, take this away. So you need to collect all the information up front, so when you do put together a quote, everything is already in detail. It's already exactly how they want it. Okay, so just thought I'd share that tip with you guys. So qualify your clients first before giving them the quote. Get to know your clients, better know them, so you can kind of cater to their needs exactly before putting together your quote. Make it easier on yourself, so you can put together a detailed quote exactly how they want it. Okay, so Larry Porter signing off. Just thought I'd share some valuable tips with you. If you or anybody you know that's looking to become a travel agent, feel free to click that link below to show you how to enroll, or you can click one of the other links below in the description to see a free presentation on how you can get into the travel industry easily from home. Okay, so if you need instructions on how to do that, you can also feel free to text us at the number below, and we'll be glad to assist you with any inquiries that you may have. So if you got questions, leave a comment and share this video, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye.